That's right. It's your boy, DJ B. Back out here once again. Check out my setup real quick. You know what I'm saying? At this church out here on Sutter Street, San Francisco. Y'all see the room. Y'all see the space. You hear the music. You hear the bass. Yeah, I'm talking about. Got 2 Yamaha DBR10's. 2 Bose Sub2's. You know what I'm saying? With my wash lights. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see what it do? I'm about to walk all the way to the back of the room. Sir. Stay tuned.